All right, guys, 2003 Toyota Tundra V8, one of the early years of the Tundras. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. As you guys can see there's a cat right there. There's a second cat right there. Then it winds into a single, and then there's a resonator there. Then we put a Borla ProXS on it right there. Single in, dual out. Part number 40349. Then two tailpipes out the back on each side, one on this side, one on this side, into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled tips. It's cold outside, so we got the door closed for today, but it's okay. But you guys still get some exhaust videos out of it. Why not? So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Borla ProXS. Toyota Tundra. Okay. Not too loud, just clean. There's the muffler and tailpipe that we cut off, guys. You like it?
That's awesome.
Perfect. Very nice. Here's sound decibels. Right at 94. Not crazy loud. If you guys want it louder, we can always take that secondary resonator out and it'll make it a little bit louder. It's very cold out here, guys. It's the polar vortex in Tennessee, so it's like in the single digits. At least the sun is out. Sounds good. Guys, this is our shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike in Nashville, Tennessee. Holler at us if you guys ever need anything. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. Toyota Tundra with Borla ProXS. Perfect for the commuter, where they don't want it too loud, but they want a little bit of tone. That's clean. What do you guys think?